can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. The last 1 week has seen a big bounce in the cryptocurrency market with all coins bouncing front, left, and center. But the million-dollar question is, when are the bears going to get liquidated? Right now, a lot of market participants are shorting the market. The ratios of the longs to the bears is skewed towards the bears. A lot of market participants believe we're going to see lower prices. In this video, we'll look at general cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin has bounced, Ethereum has bounced, the altcoin market has seen significant bounce over the last 7 days. We're expecting Bitcoin dominance to give us that final dump that always happens at the end of a market cycle. Will this time be different? Are we going to see altcoins end the cycle, the parabolic blow of top? Will Bitcoin still set new all-time highs? We'll look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, talk about altcoin season, why bears are going to get liquidated, when that liquidation will happen, and we'll talk about why there's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Altcoin market is bouncing. If you had XPX, Casper, Rain, if you had some few altcoins, they have seen significant bounce. But right now, we're still down bad. Let's not think we're out of the gutter just yet. We're still down bad. Sentiment is in the gutter in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared. But the extreme fear is winning. We might see neutral sentiment before the start of December. We saw the market stay in extreme fear for majority of November. This turning out to be the second worst November for Bitcoin in its price history. We entered the month of November with Bitcoin in the fear territory, but we spent majority of November sitting in extreme fear. But we can't continue sitting in extreme fear forever. At some point in time, sentiment will change. Right now, Bitcoin trades around $91,000. Ethereum trades around the $3,000 region. Market participants are scared to the teeth with extreme fear gripping the whole market. Over the last 1 month, if you look at the charts, a lot of altcoins are still down on a monthly time frame. A lot of these altcoins are down double digits on a monthly time frame, high double digits, 30%, 20%. Some altcoins are even down 46%. But I expect that trend to change over the next few days and the next few weeks. Let's start with the king of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. So Ethereum getting to as high as $4,955. That was way back in August 2025. Market participants were excited. We're going to the moon. What happens since then has been a decline. We have seen Ethereum dump back to as low as $2,600, losing around 46% of its value in just around 90 days. So even though we have seen this little bounce in Ethereum over the last few days, market participants are still skeptical. It's calling it a dead cat bounce, calling it a relief rally, maybe a pump to new all-time highs, but majority of market participants are still calling this just a dead cat bounce. Nobody believes in the rally just yet. I believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, maybe if Ethereum gets to that $3,500 level, we'll start taking the rallies serious. But right now, it just looks like one of those bounce before we continue dumping to Goblin Town. But the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. That's one of the mantras of this channel. We buy when there's extreme fear and we sell when the extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. With Bitcoin trading around the $90,000 level, with a lot of market participants calling for lower prices, I won't be shocked if we see Bitcoin continuing to higher prices. On the 6th of October 2025, we saw a lot of market participants calling for 130K, 140K. And to be honest, they would have been right, because from their own perspective, Bitcoin went from $108,000 in the end of September, rallying up to as high as $125,000. By the start of October, Bitcoin rallied up by 15% in just 11 days. The market was hyper bullish then, waiting for that epic altcoin season. What followed was a big dump to Goblin Town. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, dumped aggressively, lost around 36% of its value in the process, down to $80,000 level. And right now, the crowd is calling for $60,000, calling for $70,000. Some market participants are even calling for prices to go down to as low as $55,000. I don't believe that, guys. I believe worst case scenario, we'll get to relief rally that will see Bitcoin go to as high as $109,000, maybe $110,000. Best case scenario, Bitcoin has started the final leg of the pump. This is the stage of the pump where a lot of market participants will be shorting the market. We continue going higher, they continue shorting the market, and by the time they give up, by the time they finally FOMO in, by the time the last bear has turned to a bull, maybe we're at all-time highs then. maybe Bitcoin is giving us a 702 retracement then. But at that point in time, guys, that's when the rally will be over. But right now, we still have too many bears in the market for the rally to be over. We still have too many bears in the market for we to be deep in the bear market. I have talks about bear market. Are we deep in the bear market? Is this still a bull market? Guys, we have to go on a bigger time frame to see that. From a bigger time frame perspective, nothing has broken yet. Bitcoin has not set a lower low, but if Bitcoin goes below that $74,000 level, officially Bitcoin would have set a lower low. That will officially be a trend change. But right now, the market is teasing us. The market is playing us hard because if Bitcoin went below 74K, I'm sure would have seen a lot more selling. But the next dump, maybe after the all-time high, maybe after a relief rally, definitely we see Bitcoin breaking 74K, maybe even going lower than that. At the end of the bear market, I believe we'll see Bitcoin at some point in time trading around $10,000, maybe even as low as $3,000. That will be in the nearest future, maybe 2026, maybe in 2027. But remember, guys, the bull run doesn't last forever. Bitcoin has been in a very, very big bull run over the last 14 plus years. If you go on a monthly time frame to zoom out a bit to see what Bitcoin has been doing, yes, we have had some dumps along the way, but on longer time frame, Bitcoin has just been rallying aggressively since December of 2009 when Bitcoin was trading below $1. We saw it rallying to $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000, and right now Bitcoin is trading around $100,000. We saw it getting to as high as $124,000, and that's helped to our crypto market cap. We have seen the total capitalization of crypto get to as high as $4.27 trillion. Right now, we still sit around the $3 trillion level after the pullback we saw in the market. In the next few days, guys, as we expect that relief rally, as we expect that final push to the upside, I will not be shocked to see that crypto market cap rally back to at least $3.5 billion, $3.5 trillion. Maybe we get to new all-time highs, but for us to get to new all-time highs, we have to see total crypto market cap clear $4.25 trillion, which is possible. Crazier things have happened at the end of market cycles. I don't think this time will be different. I'll be paying close attention to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance will tell us where the market is going to come to an end. Historically, when the market cycle is coming to an end, we see a lot of market participants running to the altcoin market. What has always happened at the end of the market cycle is that we see a lot of risk taking, a lot of crazy behaviors. Will it last 30 days? Will it last 60 days? Will it last 90 days? Only time will tell. But one thing is sure, Bitcoin dominance always dumps at the end of the market cycle because a lot of market participants that have made huge profit from Bitcoin, from Ethereum, from other high cap altcoins will start flipping those profits down into lower cap coins, down into the altcoin market, and that's why you see the altcoin market usually gains against Bitcoin in the final leg of the market cycle. We've seen Bitcoin losing value. We've seen Bitcoin lose dominance to the altcoin market since June of 2025. That decline is still ongoing. Bitcoin dominance is still down around 10% from where it was trading in June of 2025. And I'll be shocked, guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see Bitcoin dominance drastically fall to that 50% region. And when Bitcoin dominance fall, that's when we're going to see a lot of market participants start calling for altcoin season. Remember, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme, and there's no bell at the top ringing. This is the top, there's no bell at the bottom ringing. This is the bottom. You have to do your own research and your own analysis if you want to get those outsized returns in the forthcoming pump. For Bitcoin dominance, I will expect as Bitcoin dominance is dumping towards the 50% region, we expect to see a big push in the altcoin market, so that crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum could still rally back above $1 trillion, maybe even going to set new all-time highs, getting to as high as $1.2 trillion. If you look at total crypto market cap excluding only Bitcoin, yes, we still have some room to run. We could easily see it get to new all-time highs too. The all-time highs for it sit at the $1.76 trillion level. We got there on the 7th of October 2025. If we see general cryptocurrency market giving us a V-shaped recovery, trying to trap all the bears, don't be shocked to see maybe the 72 retracement if things are working very, very perfectly. If the rally is crazy and we see a lot of FOMO, we might even peak to new all-time highs. But let's talk about the bears right now. The bears are in control. There's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Smart bears are closing their shorts. A lot of market participants that were smart enough to short the markets at the top, I've seen them closing their shorts, flashing their profits, and retail that didn't short the top, that was very, very bullish at the top, are trying to short right now at the lows, trying to think, they're thinking that the dump will continue. But guys, I will not be shocked if we see a counter trend rally. That counter trend rally is going to happen because smart bears are going to be closing their shorts. Market participants that are sidelined will be forming back in. They don't have buy the dip buyers. I would think, you know what, the dump is over, let's buy the dip. If you look at the longs to short ratio in the cryptocurrency market, usually it's around 50-50. The longs and the shorts have it equally, but right now the shorts are outperforming the longs. We have more than 54% of general cryptocurrency market shorts in the market. Open interest sits at around $131 billion. In the last 24 hours, more than 83,000 traders have been liquidated. Total liquidation coming in around $132 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. One trader lost $2.79 million. Be careful out there, guys. Avoid leverage, avoid liquor, avoid ladies. Those are the three things that can ruin a smart individual in the market. In Q4, Ethereum is still down 27%. Bitcoin is down 19%. Bitcoin, the month of November, has gone down by 16%. This turning out to be Bitcoin's second or third worst month in price history. For Ethereum is down bad in the month of November. Ethereum has lost 21% of its value. This also proving to be the second or the third worst month for Ethereum in its price history. One sector I believe is going to pump before the end of the cycle, where we're going to see outrageous returns, is going to be the meme coin market. The meme coin market historically has shown us when market participants are rigs on. When they are rigs on, you see these meme coins pumping aggressively. The last 7 days has seen some renewed optimism return back to the meme coin market. Dogecoin up 3%, Shiba Inu up 6%, PP up 4%, Bonk up 3%, and XPI 6900 is taking the lead. That's rally up by 44%. In the coming days and coming weeks, pay attention to the meme coin market. That meme coin market is an expression of how close we are to the end of the cycle. You see random meme pumping front, left, and center, going up 100x in 24 hours, going up 50x in 7 days. That's a telltale sign we are getting to the end. The top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization is still relatively unchanged. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Bitcoin still trades above $91,000. Bitcoin has gone up 6.6% over the last 7 days. But we see altcoins are performing Bitcoin. I will expect to see the altcoin market take charge. And that will lead us to the altcoin season index. The altcoin season index tells us when we're officially in an altcoin season. And right now, we're not in an altcoin season. We're very, very close to a Bitcoin month performance of the top 50 coins over the last 90 days. If 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, that's officially an altcoin season. Right now, Bitcoin is down 15.3%. Over the last 90 days, I will expect to see a lot of altcoins outperform Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks, which eventually lead us to an altcoin season, which eventually lead us to an altcoin month. December is shaping out to be a very, very great month for the cryptocurrency market. November have been crazy. We have seen a lot of dumps in the month of November. We have seen a lot of chaos. We have seen extreme fear grip the cryptocurrency market. But hopefully, December will be bullish. December will see greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. What altcoins are you buying? How high do you see Bitcoin going before the end of 2025? Are you still buying more Bitcoin? Are you still buying more Ethereum? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.